Good morning, Lee High School. So hopefully you are doing well. So looking forward to week 3 of our online art class because this is something that I think is really, 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 really cool. I'm excited for this. So I'm going to walk you through the assignment. I'm trying something a little different this week just to help people find stuff. I've had a lot of questions about where do we find this, where's this, where's that. So um, I'm going to walk you through a Google Classroom page on where the stuff is for this week. So hopefully that helps. And my guest star Cora here is going to help me out. So Google Classroom, whether you are in painting, advanced painting, or advanced drawing, you've got the same assignment this week. And it is an assignment that is called "And the People Stayed Home." So you can find that either in your Google Classroom feed, or if you go up to classwork, so down to week 3, then under week 3 you'll find the assignment. You'll also find the Monday check-in. So this is just that quick form. I change the questions up a little bit each week, so but that does help me know how you're doing, and also helps creates opportunity for anyone to ask questions. Let me know anything that I can help with. So you know, make sure you do that, and then the assignment. So this is due Friday, and this is called "And the People Stayed Home." So I simplified it so that way you're not getting the directions twice. So if you open up your slide presentation, no matter what high school art class you're in, um, here, this is housing all of the information from the past couple weeks as well. So if you did not do week 1, you did not do week 2, remember you do need to do participate each week of the online learning in order to get the credit for the class. So that's school-wide policy for this online learning stuff. But you can still turn in the previous weeks. I'll gladly accept them. Um, so you'll find the information here with all of the previous weeks. And if you scroll all the way down, we'll find week 3. Um, so there's a breakdown for the Monday, Tuesday, Thursday um, of what we're, kind of what a tentative schedule could look like. Now yours may look different because everyone's got different stuff going on this week, but this is kind of a general idea of how to break this down for your schedule. But this all stemmed off from a poem written by an Irish American writer named Kitty O'Meara. And Kitty O'Meara wrote a poem. You may have even seen the poem already. It made its way around social media, and I saw it and I thought, what a great idea to use as an art prompt. So what I want you to do, so there is a video here of the poem being read, and it's a really cool video. So check out that video. The lyrics, for the poem are here, so you can read through those. And I want you to pick either, maybe you get an idea as you're listening to, the person read the poem in the video. Maybe you get an idea from a certain line. It's really open-ended. Whatever you choose, I want something that speaks to you, that stands out to you, that grabs your attention, and make a piece of artwork about that. And you can really use anything. You could draw, you could paint, you could sculpt, you could create some sort of sculptural stuff around your house, anything. But what I'm looking for is for you to be inspired by something from this poem. Um, and if something doesn't jump out right away, maybe watch the video a couple times. It's short. And then, once you make your art piece, take a picture of it, put it in your slideshow, turn it in on Google Classroom, and I'm really excited to see this. I'm really excited to do this one as well. So I wish I had some photo examples of artwork that has been done to this poem. But as far as I know, people haven't been doing that. So there's only one artist that I have found that has done any artwork with this poem. And there's an article linked up here where you can learn a little bit more about Kitty O'Meara. So it's from Oprah's magazine. But the only person that I found doing some artwork about the poem is here. So maybe it's not gonna load on my video recording. Um, but there it goes. So there's an artist that was doing some cool line drawing stuff along with the poem. But that's all I found, and that does not mean that you need to do necessarily repeated circle line drawings. You can do um, so you can do anything you want. So anything that is inspired by this poem. Um, so hopefully there's something that resonates with you. Um, and I look forward to seeing your artwork. If you have any questions, remember, please reach out, send me an email. I'm answering emails all the time, so send me an email and I'm happy to help you out. All right, have a good Monday.